welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another new video. I hope you guys are doing well. So today in this video I'm going to share some of the things with you and answerable to your comments, because many of you have done many comments which I was not able to reply due to my exam. So finally my exam is now over, and today now I'm just coming from after my lunch, and morning I went for breakfast and the weather was not so good. It's so much humid outside, and also I'm not feeling well. That's why I was just feeling lazy inside my room, and I was sitting under the fan, and I was just feeling lazy at that time, so I couldn't shoot some video. But anyways, I decided to shoot from now onwards regularly, as my exam is also over and I will get so much time to get interacted with you people. Now let's get started. Now I'm inside my hostel and sitting in the common room, and I'm not in my room right now because tomorrow my not my actually my roommate is having exam, so I don't want to disturb her, because if I do vlog inside my room and she might get disturbed. So I decided to stay in the common room. It's now no one is there inside the common room, as you can see, so I can share something with you. Like, I'm having some obsession with this place, which is just opposite of my hostel. Though I'm going to leave the hostel soon, but I have some memories with this place. Let me share. So as you can see from this side, so this is the pharmacy building, which you can see from this side, I guess. And it is like I used to go from this side, and it took very few time to reach my college, like my department. So anyways, from now onwards some work is going on over here. That's why I will not be able to go from this side. Anyways, I'm going to leave hostel. But if you were from this department and if you're staying in the hostel, then this is the shortest distance from the hostel room to your department. This would be the shortest distance, but now I have to turn this way and go, or else you have to turn right, then you have to take a road. So that's the obsession I am having with this place right now. Well, now today, as I told that I will be answering some of your comments. Now let me tell you that for now I don't have any other device with me. I have only one phone which I use for my for blogging purpose, and I have one laptop which is now inside my room. I have to open it and then I have to check. It will take time, so I decided to say whatever I remembered. So I remembered some of you have commented what I want to do after my masters. So let me tell you that after my masters, to be honest, I don't know what I will do, whether I will get job or not, whether I will be sitting. Obviously I will be sitting for placement, but I have a plan to join academics. So if I can get if I get an opportunity to join academics, maybe I will be doing job in academics, or if I don't get there, I will be sitting for placement. But till now I don't know. Let's see what happens, because future cannot be predict. I cannot predict my future. Anyways, and another comment which I got was a big comment. One girl has commented me that my videos feel so inspiring and all about that, and she wants to know more about my hostel life, that what are the foods we can buy, from where we can buy, the delivery process and many other things. So yes, I'm going to reply you all. The delivery which you have asked about was like, you can get the delivery from Blinkit, 10 minutes delivery, all know. Yes, Blinkit option is available. Any other delivery, if you want to deliver some other products, you can obviously you can order from Amazon, Flipkart. You will be getting in the gate, so that's facility is there. And another thing you have asked, that where we can buy the healthy fruits. Yes, near to our hostel there is a shop from where you can buy healthy fruits, which you can have in the hostel. So currently I would like to say that inside our hostel we don't have refrigerator. Sorry to say that we have refrigerator, but refrigerator and fridge you can use only for keeping medicines inside of it, and no other things is allowed to keep inside the refrigerator. Earlier it was allowed, but for now it's not allowed. I don't know why. anyways. And the food you can have inside your hostel room is like that. You can have healthy foods, fruits, and you can have some packaged food, but you cannot buy food from outside, like cooked food you cannot buy from outside. Only it's acceptable only on it's I guess Thursday and Saturday. Yes, you can buy food from outside like Zomato, Domino's, whatever you want to have, the outside cooked foods, you can have those only on Saturday and Thursday. For now, it's the rule. But when I will leave, it may change. That I would like to say. And other thing, if you have any queries, you can just drop me in the comment section. Maybe I will be covering on the next upcoming session. So for now, I just remember 2 comments of you people. So that's all for today. Feeling so much hot that in the common room also, as the heat wave was coming directly to, the sunlight was coming directly to my face, and so that's why the reason why I came back to my room and couldn't shoot more videos. My windows closed and also the curtains, you can see in this. I cannot the switch off my fan, so the sound you can hear maybe, and for that reason I would like to stop my vlog here only. That's all for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and see you guys soon on my next video. Till then, bye bye.